L silent words in English. Yolk. The yellow part in the middle of an egg. Palm. The flat, inner surface of your hand. A tall straight type of tree that grows in hot countries. Half. One of two equal parts of something. Calf. The young of some other animals. The back of your leg, below your knee. Chalk. A small stick of soft rock that is used for writing or drawing. Talk. To speak in order to give information or to express feelings, ideas, etc. Walk. To move or go somewhere by putting one foot in front of the other on the ground. Folk. A certain kind, class, or group of people. Behalf. As a representative for any individual. Psalm. A song, poem, or prayer that praises God, especially one in the Bible. Qualm. A feeling of doubt or worry that what you are doing may not be morally right. Salmon. A large fish with silver skin and pink meat that we eat. Calm. A period of time or a state when everything is peaceful. Almonds. A flat pale oval-shaped nut. A flat pale oval-shaped nut. Stalk. One of the long thin parts of a plant. To follow a person over a period of time in a frightening or annoying way. Should. Giving or for asking for advice. Expect something is true or will happen. Could. Used for saying that somebody had the ability. Asking permission politely. Would. Used when talking about the result of an event that you imagine. Talking about things that often happened in the past. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.